Yeah, round two. Oh! Yo, you just cracked your axle off that, man. Oh, it's not good. You almost freaking snapped the thing. Oh my god. I'm leaving back here. Let's go! Run your tires over this way. Run your tires up on this side. Straddle the holes. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What are you doing, man? Don't ever go behind a Jeep when it's driving. God, that's why you don't let kids drive quads. He's just giving up. Yo, Rob, go straight at it like you just had. Go like straight up, like that. Yeah, exactly like that. There ain't much flex in that front axle, I'll tell you that.
Yeah, there's a lot of flex in that Jeep, really.
He has really stiff springs, I think.
Now you're talking about that spring balancing?
Yeah. A little vole for a mouse or something.
You see a mouse?
I've never seen someone so dedicated to getting up here. Yeah, that Jeep does not have a lot of flex whatsoever.
That's like, I mean, you got the clearance that you don't have.
He's just giving up. Haha, GP.